Okay, so this is the new Eddie Van Halen Funko Pop doll. I'm going to call it a doll. It's a collectible. I'm doing an unboxing. Just arrived today on Halloween, and here we go. The box is in good shape, so I assume everything's going to be just fine. We'll see. I've seen pictures of this online where people have received it, but I haven't really seen a reference on how large it is. Some seem to indicate that it was kind of small, I guess. But let's see. Trying to figure out how to open this. I guess I should have done it from here. There we go. All right. Put the knife down. Here it is. Well, it's nicely packed. I mean, it's... Oh, look at that. It's kind of like very good packing. I just hope it doesn't get smaller and smaller. Oh, okay, there we go. Well, it's bigger than I expected because this is really cool. Let me get this out of the way. This is it. It's kind of like a collectible, an Eddie Van Halen. He's using the white guitar in this one. The one prior to this, he had the Frankenstrat red guitar. I didn't get that one, but this is it. Very cool. Got this off of right from the Funko Pop website. It was cheaper to get it on there than Amazon, even with the shipping. I think Amazon wanted like, I think they wanted like $30 or something for it, and this was $15. The first time customer, they gave me a promo code to use to get $5 off. So. With the shipping and everything, I think it was like maybe 21 bucks. So not bad. I'm not going to unbox it right now from this point, but you can see it's really cool. It's the likeness of Eddie Van Halen, I guess. And they're kind of like, I guess they're kind of like bobbleheads, but they're not actually bobbleheads, but it's kind of that kind of a collectible, I guess. So this is my first one. I haven't gotten any Funko Pops until this one came out, and I was like, you know, I don't want to get it. He's got the white guitar. It's my favorite one. That's the one I'm actually building now, and so that's it. Bye.